Yeah, and so Tony comes up and he goes, I didn't know what to say. So I called Monty, and I go, who? He goes, I called Monty. And I go, Monty who? And he goes, Monty. And then I realized, oh, he's saying, my auntie. Allah. Boozhoo ni janashanabedug. And welcome back to Boozhoo NANABOOZHOO, the podcast about Ojibwe language and culture. I am your host, NANABOOZHOO. Okay, well today I was thinking about a couple of things. And I wasn't sure what word I wanted to talk about. I thought about ajidamoo, the squirrel. And then I thought about Niji, friend, Nishime, sister, Nijikwe, your girlfriend, your friend is a girl. I don't know. What do you think, Michael? You got any ideas? Well, if you talked about ajidamoo, you could also talk about misajidamoo. What do you mean? Well, misajidamoo is actually like the gray squirrel. Ajidamoo is the red squirrels. Oh, that's right, isn't it? Oh, there you go. Misajidamoo is gray squirrel. Ajidamoo is red squirrel. Yeah, okay. Well, let's see. I think we're, I don't know. I wanted this to be funnier. I wanted this to be more informative. But, hey, you know what we could do? I'm going to grab the laptop. Let's look at the videos. Let's see if anybody wrote any comments. Yeah, okay then. Yeah, let's just see if anybody wrote in. What's this now? 4,399 people reached. Oh, wow. What does that mean? 1.8K views. K is K 1,000? Yeah, I think K is 1,000. Oh, wow. That's a lot. Let's see what people said. 58 shares. Here's a Apollo Black Eagle. You guys are awesome. Oh, wow. Thanks. And there's a picture of, I think that's Elmo as a baby. Baby Elmo in a potty. And then it's got a classic LOL. Laugh out loud. Laugh out loud. So awesome. Keep them coming. And then there's a bunch of smiley faces. Yeah. All right. I can't believe we're getting so many views. Well, that's cool. Okay. Well, here, Mike, I'm getting tired. You want to go inside? Yeah, I should head home. Okay. Well, hey, it was nice having you here. Why don't you stop by again sometime? I sure will. Okay, kids. I'm going to close up here. You've been watching Boozhoo NANABOOZHOO, the podcast about Ojibwe language and culture. Hey, that's about it for me tonight. I'm going to go to bed.